We just finished up a little series of Word of the Weeks on gas metal arc welding or MIG welding parts. Now we're going to do some gas tungsten arc welding parts. And there's a lot of little parts that are in the torch. This is a burn up one that I just grabbed and put new parts in so I could show you as we do these videos. The first Word of the Week we're going to do for gas tungsten arc welding is gas nozzle. Now, as I've been doing these, there's a lot of improper terms being used. The way I've been figuring out the exact part, what it's called, is I call the reps and I say, hey, I need a gas cup. What's it really called? On the book, you know, proper terms. And they say gas nozzle is what they're called. I got gas cup here because their common technique for gas tungsten arc welding is called walking the cup, right? So everybody calls it a gas cup. Its technical term, its proper term is gas nozzle. Now that being said, if you come up and ask me for a gas cup, I'm not going to make fun of you. You know, it's not that far off. Everybody calls it a gas cup. There's also a gas lens. There's a lot of gas lenses for sale, but that's not the actual gas nozzle. That comes with the collet holder, and it has a little screen in it to make the flow go nice and smooth as it's coming out. So it's not actually in the actual gas nozzle. Gas lens, they come in a little kit is what they come with, and they're about $8.75, and it's going to have the gas nozzle, the collet holder with a little screen in it, and actually it has the collet as well. So these two are pretty good terms. If you come to me and ask for the little pink thing at the end of the torch, let me grab a marker here. Do not come up to me and ask for the little pink thing. It's not the little pink thing, it's a gas cup. Gas nozzle is the best term, but gas cup is also acceptable. Do not, under any circumstance, call it the little pink thing, right? I know what you're talking about, but we're going to use proper terms here, right? So don't go up to your boss and say, I broke the little pink thing. It's a gas nozzle, right? The cost of the little pink thing, I shouldn't say that, but the cost is $1.49 for this one right here. So they're pretty cheap. Don't get you know, scared that you broke it and you're going to get in trouble, because they're pretty cheap. And because they are ceramic, they do break. They're brittle. With ceramics, you got good, you know, it takes a lot of heat, but if you drop it, it's going to break. So the cost for the cheapest one is $1.49-ish. None of these prices are obviously, you know, etched in stone. And if you get a gas lens, and a lot of people get gas lenses, but that includes, like I said, the cup, the collet body, and the collet. Comes in a little kit, and they're about $8.75 a piece. Other things they can be made of, we kind of went over this top one already. Materials, so what are they made of? The gas nozzles we use primarily are ceramic, because people drop them all the time, so they get broke. So we don't want to spend a lot of money on them, because we know we're going to go through a lot of them. So if you're going cheap, ceramic, $1.49, like I said. There's also other ones that give better strength or have better thermal properties. That's the reason they use them. That's these three down here. Fused quartz, they're about $2.50. High strength alumina, they're about $3, and they kind of look like the ceramic ones. They're also pink. And then you have metal jacketed ceramics. They're about $7.20. That's what these things are made out of. So what we'll do now is I'll just show you how to take a gas cup on and off. It's really easy, just thread it. So we'll get into that, and we'll get out of here. The first term here, gas nozzle. And you can see this is just a TIG torch that we had a leak in or something. It's got tape around it and stuff like that. But to take this off, it's real easy. You just unscrew it. There's your piece of tungsten. There's your collet body. We'll go over that in the next Word of the Week, or one of them anyways. But it just threads on and off. Real simple part. That being said, if you don't know what a gas nozzle is, or a gas cup, you're going to look like a fool. Do not, under any circumstance, call it the little pink thing at the end of the torch. That's all we got for this week. Thanks for watching and subscribing to TV Weld. We'll see you next week. We're out.